Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do an example of a word problem. So in this example here, as you can see, it says an automobile used 41 gallons of regular gasoline on a trip of 876 miles. What was the average miles per gallon to the nearest gallon? So now, it says here, notice that it's average, right? We want the average miles per gallon. So in this word problem now, in this case, we don't always have to add up a data set, right? Remember, the average would be the total amount. In this case, we're looking at the total number of miles, right? Divided over the total number of gallons that were used. Because we want average miles per gallon, right? So miles per gallon is telling us a division, right? Miles per gallon. So we want the average miles per gallon, right? Because all we know is that they used a total of 41 gallons on a trip that was 876 miles. That's all we know. So if we want to know what the average miles per gallon is, well, we would have to divide the total number of miles by the total number of gallons, and that'll give us an average. Because why? Because I'm sure the car wasn't constant, right? The consumption of gasoline is not constant with any vehicle, right? It depends on how fast you're going, the stop and start, those sorts of things, road conditions, right? That all plays a part. So that your consumption, the number of miles per gallon goes up and down over your trip. So this, by dividing the total number of miles on your trip over the total number of gallons, gives us an average, okay? So let's do that. So that means X bar in this case is by taking the total number of miles that you drove divided by the total gallons used. Now here's where the units come in, right? We want miles per gallon. This is miles over gallon. So we want miles on top and we want gallons on the bottom. So again, you do use your units to help you set up the problem correctly. So we've got miles over gallons, that's what we want, so we know we've got the numbers in the right place. And so now all you have to do is use your calculator and divide, and you get what? You get approximately, you get 21.37, right, if you round. Miles per gallon. And so they want us to round to the nearest gallon, so this would be approximately 21 miles per gallon. And there's your answer. Have a great day.